In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page on Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. This can be any design you're currently working on, whether it's a presentation, a social media graphic, or another multi-page layout. Make sure the project is fully loaded so you can clearly see the editing workspace and the page controls. Once your project is open, direct your attention to the bottom right area of the screen. This is where you'll find the Add Page button. Click on that button to begin creating a new page in your project. After you click it, Adobe Express will give you a choice. You can either add a page that uses the same size as your current project, or you can choose a custom size and configure the dimensions yourself. If you want to keep everything consistent, selecting the same page size is usually the fastest option. This is especially helpful when you're building a design with multiple pages that should all match, like a slideshow, a carousel post, or a document. If your next page needs a different layout or format, choose the custom size option and enter the dimensions you want. Once you confirm your selection, the new page will be added to your project. After the page has been created, you can move between your pages using the Pages panel at the bottom of the screen. This panel makes it easy to see all the pages in your project and switch to the one you want to edit. Just click on any page thumbnail there to jump directly to it. This is especially useful as your project grows and you need to stay organized while editing different sections. A helpful tip here is to check that you're on the correct page before making changes, especially if several pages look similar. Using the bottom panel regularly can save time and help you avoid editing the wrong section of your design. And that's really all there is to it. Open your Adobe Express project, click the Add Page button in the bottom right, choose whether you want the same size or a custom size, and then use the Pages panel at the bottom to switch between pages whenever you need. It's a simple feature, but it makes building and managing multi-page designs much easier.